Hello guys, my name is Dimitri and it's 1001 calories. Every other day I'm cooking and sharing with you different recipes from all over the world. And today's recipe is köttbullar. It's traditional Swedish meatball recipe. Comes together very quickly. Follow this step-by-step recipe and let's get jump to it. Combine beef, chopped onion, breadcrumbs, salt, black pepper, and allspice. Evaporated milk, and mix all together to combine. With the wet hands, shape meat mixture into 2.5 cm balls. Heat butter in a pan. Add meatballs. And cook 3 minutes each side on a medium heat. Add beef stock, bring to boil and cook for 15 minutes on a low heat. Meanwhile, stir together cold water and flour. Remove meatballs from the pan. Same pan, add flour mixture and evaporated milk. Cook uncover on a medium heat, stirring constantly until sauce thickens. Return meatballs to the pan. Heat for a few moments. And our meatballs are ready to serve. You can have it with the mashed potatoes, you can have it with traditional Swedish berry sauce. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and share with your friends and family. And as usual, I will see you after tomorrow with new recipes.